Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming essentials, a working network and your Apple ID credentials. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPad at the top. If two-factor authentication is enabled, make sure you have access to the trusted device or phone number to receive codes. Enter your Apple ID email, then type the password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive. Make sure caps lock is off and autofill isn't inserting an old credential. This avoids lockouts and speeds the process. After signing in, follow the authentication flow. Input the two-factor code promptly when it arrives. Once verified, iPad will prompt to merge or replace data. Choose Merge to combine local and iCloud content safely. Next, review iCloud sync toggles. Enable photos, contacts, and backups if you want continuous syncing. Make sure Find My iPad and iCloud keychain are enabled for device recovery and password syncing. These choices affect backups, storage, and privacy. To finish, open Settings and confirm your name and email appear at the top. Tap to view iCloud settings and ensure sync statuses show recent activity. Perform a manual iCloud backup to verify everything is saving correctly. Once completed, test key services like App Store downloads and messages in iCloud. If something goes wrong, restart the iPad first. If issues persist, visit Apple.com to validate account status or reset your password. This single troubleshooting step fixes most sign-in and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.